Welcome to Amz-Scraper. In this tutorial we will learn about the scrape result page and how to find good products after you scrape a seller. When Amz-Scraper finishes scraping a seller, you will get a notification. By clicking on a seller's name, you will be redirected to the scrape results. You can also get to the scrape result page from the seller's page by clicking on the name of the seller. Here you can see all of the seller's products that match the criteria you have set for the scrape. Amz-Scraper gathers relevant information on each product. Here you can see the title and ASIN of the product. Clicking on the title or the thumbnail will open the products page on Amazon. This is the bestseller rank. You can click on it to open a more detailed view. Seller price shows the price of the seller you scraped for that particular product. You can also see the lowest price for the product. Here you can see whether or not the lowest offer is FBA or if the product has any FBA offers. The number of offers the product offers is also displayed here under the competition column. Under source, you will see the source button. This button can have three possible colors. When the source button is green, that means that the software has found the source for the product and there is a profit for the lowest offer. The number inside the button indicates the profit of the lowest offer. Please note that this is the net profit after all the fees and sale tax associated with the sale, based on your profile settings. Yellow source button means that either the software did not look for the source of this product yet, or that the information that the software has on this source has not been updated in a while. Clicking on a yellow source button takes a bit longer to complete as the software is actively searching and scraping the source of the product. When the source button is red, that could mean one of two things. The first case is when there is no lowest profit stated. This means that the software cannot find any matching sources for the product. The second case is where there is a lowest profit stated, which means that either the profit is below zero or the source found is currently out of stock. Clicking on the source button will open up the source menu. Check if the source suggested and the product actually match. If it matches and there is enough profit, you can click on the Save to Lab button and this product will be saved in the lab to either be listed to your account using Amz-Scraper built-in lister or to be exported to a CSV file. We have a separated tutorial for the lab. You are welcome to check it. You can also change the variation and bundle quantity of the source suggested by clicking on this button. If the source suggested does not match the product on Amazon, you can click on Load More Sources and Amz-Scraper will suggest a few more options. You can also click on Find Manually and enter the source URL yourself. Clicking on Calculate will have Amz-Scraper pull the information from the source URL and calculate the profit for this product. Let's go back. You can sort the products by clicking on the column name. For example, I can sort by bestseller rank to view the best-selling product first. Or I can sort by source to view the most profitable products first. On Manage Seller, you can scrape the seller again, save him to the VIPs list, to the blacklist, or delete the seller altogether. You can select a few products and click on Find Sources, and Amz-Scraper will load the sources for the selected product and will show you the most up-to-date information on them. Clicking on Find Sources without selecting any product will load the sources for all the products in the list. Please note that this could take some time, so when loading sources for more than 10 products, the software will automatically create a new task to run in the background, so you can keep on working while it's running. You can keep track on its progress by going to the task dashboard, or just wait to the notification you get when the task is finished. Selecting a few products and clicking on Refresh Products will pull the most up-to-date information about the products from Amazon, including the lowest price, the BSR, and the total number of offers. You can click on Refresh Products without selecting any product, and the software will refresh all the products in the list for you. Remove gated items. This incredible feature will save you a lot of time picking products to list on Amazon. As you probably know, there are some products that are restricted on Amazon and you can only sell them if you have invoices or authorization from the manufacturer. This feature will save you a lot of time by automatically remove those restricted products from the list so you can focus on the products that you can actually list. This is how it's done. When you click on Remove Gated Products, this window should appear. All you need to do is follow the instructions. The first step is to drag the special button to your bookmark bar and save it. If you already have this button saved in your bookmarks bar, then you can go ahead and skip to step 2. The next step is to click on this button. This will copy all the asins in the list to your clipboard. After copying all the asins, we need to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once we are logged in, we can click on the bookmark we just saved and this window should appear. Now all we need to do is to paste here the asins we copied and click on Check for Gated Products. Once it's done, we can click on this button to copy the results to the clipboard, head back to Amz-Scraper, paste them here and finally click on Remove Gated Products. That's it! As you can see, Amz-Scraper just saved me a lot of time trying to list all of these products that were gated anyway. The last button in the menu is the Delete Selected button. You can select a bunch of products and click on this button and they will be removed. This is the Actions menu. These actions will act only on the specific products for that row. The first option is another way to enter the source manually and save the product to the lab. Clicking on Find Source will do the same as clicking on the Source button here. View Product will take you to the product viewer with the product selected. You can use this feature to find other sellers to scrape. We have a separate tutorial on that subject. Refresh Product will pull the most up-to-date information about the product from Amazon. It has the same functionalities as this button. And lastly, clicking on Delete Product will remove this product from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching our tutorial. To learn more, you can find our tutorials for each page in our Knowledge Center and by clicking on the Page Tutorial button.